Pwede po ba tayong tumayo lahat? Can we just honor Professor Garilao? He actually made Sinergia whole. He helped us develop the vision, the mission, and the roadmap. Kung wala po si Professor Garilao, wala rin ang Sinergia. Kasi siya po yung nagbuo sa atin, yung mission natin, di ba? Yung vision natin at ang ating approach, how to change our community. Maraming salamat, Professor Garilao. Can we say thank you, Professor Garilao? One more time.
Thank you, Professor Garilao.
From every barangay, a nation starts to rise with determined hearts and hopeful eyes. We build the future strong and true.
But thank you very much. But of course, you know, you just supply the ideas and Nene makes that happen. No? I think Sinergia has gone a long way. Yung message ko lang dito is, I think we all know the state of education and the state of our children's learning outcomes. Ano? It has come to a time na when you start looking for models on what basic education is, you now have to look to other countries. No? Whereas in the early days, they look to us. Siguro yung message ko lang is the critical role of mayors in seeing to it that your constituents are educated. Don't leave it up to the principals. Don't leave it up to the superintendents. These are your constituents, and it is your responsibility to see to it that they finish grade school, they finish high school, and they are critical thinkers. You know? Nag-iisip at innovative. And do not leave that to DepEd. Assume that that is your responsibility as mayor. Because these are your constituents, and you were entrusted to see to it that they get to be good, productive, and critical thinkers and responsible citizens. No? So yan lang ho yung message ko. No? At the end of the day, idudugtong ko na rin. Kung titignan mo sa EDCOM, ang sinasabi ng EDCOM, ang kailangan ng mga bata, first 1,000 days, that they are not stunted. Just see to it that they are not stunted. They get early education before primary school. When they are in primary school, they are ready to go into learning. They are able to read by grade 3. They are able to read by grade 3. It is such a shame that they graduate grade school and not being able to read. You have to see to it that they're there. You see to it that they finish grade 7, and hopefully they also finish grade 12, and then move to college. I think that's the moral responsibility of mayors and governors. It may not be direct. It may not be. You may not be directly involved in it because it is a centralized function. But take it on as your responsibility as a good local chief executive. Maraming pong salamat.